SureHold, clean and simple.
Hey guys, Barry Burhoff with SureHold Industries, and today I've got another great product review for you. We saw this at the last Fort Lauderdale Boat Show, and we picked some up for our trip that we just took, and I've got them stored right here in our fish hatch. Underneath here, believe it or not, I have 4 electric scooter bikes. They fold up really, really small, about the size of a pizza box in squareness and about that thick. Now, I'm gonna pull these out so you can take a look at them, and I'm gonna hand them to the kids on the dock, and we're gonna show you how we build these things. Okay, now that we got all these on the dock, I'm gonna have Shane and Vaughn here set their bikes up and show you how easy it is to do. Shane, why don't you take yours right over there? And Vaughn, why don't you bring yours right here? Now these are really, really great because the kids can set them up themselves. The handlebar pops right up, and then he wings out the handles themselves and locks them. The seat, which was holding it together in half, you pull off, it lets it fold. Then he's gonna lock the piece. Now the frame is locked together. Now let's show them how those wheels come out, Shane. And everything is really simple. It just kind of finds its place. All these spring latches fold right over, holds tension. They even have some safety latches in there to make sure they don't come undone while you're biking. You got your seat on?
Yep.
Okay, let's get that back wheel. You need a hand?
I'm good.
You're good, okay. Now once he gets that back wheel locked, there is another lock that keeps it from twisting. That's going to hold it straight. It twists for the ability to fold it up and put it away. Now, one of the things that we really love about these bikes is they're fairly lightweight. We're talking about 20 pounds or less for each bike. As you saw, we easily fit 4 of them on the boat. Now, these bikes will do about 12 miles per hour depending on the weight of the rider. And what I got to tell you is they're really peppy, they're really good. You get about 10 to 15 mile range out of them. They take about an hour to 2 hours to charge. Did you enjoy it on the trip?
Yeah, they're really fun.
They're really fun. They turned out really useful for us when we were zipping over to pick up a golf cart or running out to dinner. The only downside, I would say, not a real downside, is because of the small hard wheels, when you're on rougher pavement, you feel that, the jittering up and back. But the trade-off for having something that's maintenance-free, compacts down real easy, folds and puts away on the boat is just awesome. Okay, now that the boys have the bikes all easily set up, let me show you a couple cool features that are part of these Jupiter bikes. The front wheel on both of them is the lithium-ion battery. That's where it stores all of its energy. And then the rear wheel is actually got the motor inside of it, and they're fully sealed, so you don't have to worry about going through a puddle or some rain. Right here on the side of the bike is the power switch. You just press that in one time, it beeps, the whole bike is powered right up. Controls are on top here. Left thumb control you push down, that's going to engage an electric magnetic brake. The right control here, that's going to actually engage the motor and give him his forward motion. The pedals are just a place to rest your feet. Now, in talking to Jupiter Bike at the boat show, they explained to me that this little QR code here on the side is for an app they have coming soon. And this app is going to allow you to change some features on the bike with Bluetooth and also give it a digital lock so no one else can start up the bike without having your digital code with the app and the Bluetooth. Other than that, we love them, used them all throughout the trip. They worked out great, and I think these are going to be a permanent part of what we keep on board Vessel SureHold. So until next time, I'm Barry Burhoff with Shane and Vaughn, here to help you keep your boat clean and simple. Come on, guys. Who left mud on my end screen? We got to keep this place clean around here. That's better.